What is up, YouTube? So today I have mini ears on. I am going to be reviewing the Dose of Colors collab with Disney BTW. I haven't posted any makeup looks purposely because I got a chemical peel. It's been almost a week at the time that I'm filming this video. The way my skin looks, girl, I'm just gonna say it looks amazing. If I could put like pictures next to this face where I am wearing makeup, the way my skin looks, I'm blown away. I am doing like a full video of the chemical peel that I got, but that won't be posted until like January. I just want it to be an all-around video where it shows you the ins and outs, like when I get the chemical peel, what happens the month after that. That's what I have planned, but of course I have videos coming in the meantime. January will be here in the quickness. I will be going to Disney this weekend with my best friend for a girls weekend trip. No babies, no husbands. It's much needed. I'm doing a review on the Dose of Colors and Disney collection. I did get the eyeshadow palette, but I also think it has a highlighter in it. And I got a few lippies. So I'm going to bring you guys in closer so you can see how the eyeshadows perform. It is Dose of Colors though, so I don't expect anything less. You know, I was looking at my analytics on YouTube and I have like 70% of you that watch my videos are not subscribed to me. Why? Make sure you subscribe so that you can see all of that goodness. And if you really want to see how this chemical peel plays out, make sure you subscribe. Let's get into this review. So we are in nice and tight. So if you see like some flaking offness like there, or any, like, don't mind it. Before we put on the eyeshadow, I am going to prime my lids first. I really need to wash my brushes. If you've seen my makeup bag video and I said that I need to wash my brushes, yeah, I still haven't washed them. So I'm just gonna do one eye on camera to save time. So this is the palette right here. And this collection was done because of Mickey's 90th. This is what the palette looks like. So freaking cute. This is what it looks like on the inside. And then it does come with a mirror. Oh, so cute. On the back, it has the eyeshadow colors and the names. So the first shade I'm gonna go in is, English please. So the first shade I'm gonna go in with is Hug Me. It's like a good warm transition shade. We love a transition shade. Right in the crease. As we can see, super pigmented. Sorry if you can hear my daughter. So this is Dose of Colors. I am expecting honestly nothing less. So I'm just blending that out. I haven't added any eyeshadow. So yeah, when I seen Dose had done this collab, I had to get it. It's not like I was trying a whole new makeup brand just to get the Disney collab. No, it was like one of my favorite makeup brands collabing with Disney. Amazing. Next, I'm gonna go in with M is for Mischief to go with this eyeshadow look. So I'm gonna use that to deepen up the crease.
Baby shark, baby shark,
that's what she's singing. Baby shark, she hasn't watched that in a while, so I'm surprised she's even singing it. So I'm gonna take Aw Shucks, which is, it's not a black, it's like a purple brown. I'm just gonna put that in the crease even tighter. Blend it from the inner part of my eye to the outer. So I kind of just wanted to get in the crease. I know it's not blended or anything like that. It's kind of messy. But I just wanted to get it in there. And then I'm going to start feathering the eyeshadow above. So whatever is like the crease and above, I really want it to be blended. Whatever's below to the eyelid, I'm not too concerned about because we're going to go over top with another eyeshadow. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to take brushes that I used earlier to help blend that out. So I'm going to take Aw Shucks again, and I'm going to apply her right on the lid. So I'm just going to pack it on the lid. Honestly, so far, no complaints with how the eyeshadow is performing. It's blending perfectly. My crease doesn't want to hold the color. Over top of that, I'm gonna apply Hooray, which is so beyond gorgeous. Like, I can't. And I'm picking it up dry. Oh, it's not even there. And it's not as shimmery. Interesting. When I seen the photos, a similar eye look, kind of like this. And it seemed like the glitter was way more than what it's showing up right now. I am just gonna blend out this crease. That Hooray shade is not as shimmery as I thought it would be, which kind of sucks. I'm not gonna lie. I did expect it to be pretty shimmery, but otherwise I'm like so obsessed with how it looks, like a gunmetal. That is the eye. I'm gonna do this eye off camera, and then I'll come back and do the lower lash line, and then we will apply the highlighter and do lips. We have the eyelashes on, and this eye, no, it was this eye. We have this eye done. Oh my god. So now I'm gonna show you guys how I would do the lower lash line, because we have a dramatic, smoky, glittery eye. I do want the bottom to have something so that it balances. It doesn't look so top heavy. Basically, the colors that I used on the top, we're gonna apply it to the bottom. So first, I'm gonna go in with Hug Me, which was that transition shade. Just gonna run it on the lower lash line. So next I'm gonna do M is for Mischief. M-I-C. Okay. So I'm gonna take Shucks. I'm gonna dust off as much as I can. Then I'm using a smaller, flatter brush so that I could be more precise with the application. And then I'm gonna take that brush that I used earlier, help to blend. I just feel like the eyes look so much better when it's lined with black eyeliner when you're doing dark eyes. So I'm gonna zoom you guys out so we can apply highlighter and maybe do some lip swatches so you guys can see what the lips are looking like. I am going to be applying highlighter to my cheeks, and I'm gonna be using Beyond Classic, which looks like kind of a gold, definitely a gold. Definitely a white gold. So I'm just going to use a Morphe M530. I like using this brush because it is, ooh, she wanna, ooh. I like it. I thought it might have been too light for my skin tone, but definitely not. Hi, I'm there, I'm here, we are here. So I'm going to take some on a smaller brush and I'm going to apply it to the eyes. I'm going to apply it to the inner corner and also to the brow bone. So I like applying highlighter at these points of my eyes just because I feel like it lifts the eyebrows as well as opens the eyes, especially if you do a darker eye look. So I'm going to apply just a little bit on the tip of my nose. I normally don't do a highlighter this bright on my nose, but here we are today. For the collection, they came out with an eyeshadow palette, 3 liquid tubed lipsticks and glosses, as well as 3 lipsticks. So I did not purchase all of the lips that were created. I just purchased 3. 2 of them are lip glosses and 1 is a satin lipstick. Oh, she's fancy. She came in a box and a plastic sleeve. So this one is one and only. I feel like for my skin tone, it's a really nice nude. Packaging, I love. The other gloss that I got is called, oh no, really? I did not know I got this one. I did order this one. Oh, how funny. So I got this gloss. It's like a copper gold flex lip gloss. I will definitely swatch this one for you guys. I did not know I got this one. This is the satin lipstick. I'm gonna like the packaging of the satin lipstick just because it's the whole tube that is printed with this. Oh no, it's not. It's just the cap. I got it in the shade Infinite. This is the shade. I really like it. Perfect for fall. I've never used a satin lipstick from Dose before, so I'm really excited to try this out. But I am going to swatch it. So this is her. Next, I'm going to swatch one and only, which is this gloss. I'm probably going to put this gloss on my lips. Yes, I am. And then lastly, I'm going to swatch Oh, okay, not too, yes, okay, I'm gonna like this one. It's not too coppery. Oh, and it has like a Disney logo on the back. Like, you know, when you buy some things from the Disney store or Disneyland, it has the Disney logo. No lip liner, no lipstick. We're just gonna go in with this gloss because it's tinted, basically like a wet lipstick, which would be a lip gloss. We're just gonna go in. Oh, I love the smell. It smells so sweet. This is like the perfect nude shade for my skin tone. So this is the completed look with the Dose and Disney collab. I really like how everything came out. I do have a few Dose highlighters that are in my kit because I am obsessed with them and how they look. So seeing the highlighter and how it performed on my skin in this Disney collection is honestly not a surprise. I honestly am so stoked that Disney collabed with Dose because Dose is a smaller, kind of like an indie brand. They are in Ulta, but you wouldn't see them like in Target or CVS or Sephora. I really like that they did a collab with Disney because it's amazing, like especially for Dose. As for the eyeshadows, I do like how they performed. Obviously, the quality of the eyeshadows is honestly everything I expected, but I did expect some to perform better than what it actually did, especially that dark sparkly color. I definitely expected it to kind of be a bit more sparkly, but I'm not mad about it. I definitely am looking forward to playing with the other colors in the palette, which is Oh Boy and the Show Begin. I like the color palette going on in here. I feel like it matches. I feel like you can definitely create a look with using these eyeshadows. Do I feel like this eyeshadow palette stands alone? Kind of, yeah, I guess. Yeah, this palette could stand alone. You actually could use all the colors in this palette and not reach for another palette. As for the lips, I love this gloss. I feel like this is gonna be the gloss. Like when I don't want to do lip liner, when I don't want to wear liquid lipstick, I feel like this is gonna be it. I'm so obsessed. This one caught me by surprise. I'm actually really curious to see how this is gonna be, or I'm really curious to see how this is going to look when I actually use it. I'm intrigued by it. That is my review on the Dose and Disney collection. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I am so excited that I finally got to do this video. I'm glad that I'm able to kind of do just a Disney week on my channel, week being 2 videos that are both Disney. On an uploading week for me. Can't wait to post the vlog because I can't wait to go. I'm so excited. If you want to keep up with me elsewhere, my social media will always be in the description bar as well as at the end of this video. So if you haven't seen, I created like an end card for the end of the video and I'm super stoked about it. So I hope you guys like it or care for it. I don't know, I feel like we're officially becoming more like YouTube-y. Please subscribe if you haven't already because that would mean so much to me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one.